In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your ExpressVPN app. So if you've been trying to use this app and maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this problem and get your app running without any issue. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to troubleshoot your ExpressVPN app. In the first method, we shall need to access the app information page, and to do so, just go to settings and then tap on it, and then from settings scroll down and look for the option called apps. Now if you tap on apps, this will open these various settings under apps. Look for the option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now the manage app function will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone, and from the list locate the app that you want to troubleshoot. Now for my case, I want to troubleshoot ExpressVPN app, and here it is. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Alternatively, you can also search for your app using the search function here. So if I tap on this app, you can see I'm on the app information page. At this point, we want to go ahead and do our troubleshooting here. Now, if getting to this page is quite complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just exit and then go ahead and look for your app. And once you find it, just go ahead and long press on it. This will go ahead and give you these three options: share, app info, and uninstall. So if you tap on app info, it will again take you to app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. And if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data on this app. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of accumulation of these cache files. When we talk of cache files, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app to enhance user experience. But the problem is, the more these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction because of the junk. So to clear the cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data down here, and then choose the second option called clear cache, and then OK. Go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app, and at this point it should be working. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want again to come back to this app info page, and this time around, instead of clearing cache, go ahead and tap on clear all data. Confirm by OK, and then try opening your app, and it should have solved your problem. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method, and that is access the app either through Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone, and then look for any update. For that, just go ahead and look for Play Store, for my case, and then search for your app, and then look for any update if it is available. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of this ExpressVPN app that might be vulnerable to bugs. To get rid of this, go ahead and update it to the latest version. Once you update it, now you can proceed and open to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you get rid of any problem or challenge with your ExpressVPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.